To be part of the first graduating class of the SMP is actually quite special. It was an honor for me to be part of the class in the first place, and the Okanagan has been such a great place to study medicine. Huang, graduating class of 2015, Southern Medical Program. Studying medicine here in the Okanagan is great. The faculty and staff are fantastic. We have as much support as we need. The level of education is the same as what we get in Vancouver, except that when we're out here in the community, we tend to be with a preceptor one-on-one, which means we get a lot more personal education out of it. The most memorable moment is definitely the amount of trust that you get doing a third-year clerkship in a small community like Vernon. I think the most memorable one is following a pregnant lady halfway through her pregnancy in family medicine. I was quite privileged. I felt quite honored to be part of their family. They obviously trusted and saw me week in and week out, and was comfortable with me being at the delivery and taking care of them in the hospital. So for me, it's more of an honor and privilege feeling. And of course, inside, I'm quite thrilled because not a lot of students get to do that in their third year. The future was up in the air until CARMS hit. And so after the CARMS match, I matched to rural family medicine here in Kelowna. So for the next 2 years, I'll be spending my first year here in the hospital doing my rotations. Then in the second year, I'll be somewhere in rural BC within a community that has maybe a handful of doctors taking care of that community for a few months here and there. And afterwards, hopefully I'll end up somewhere in the Okanagan practicing family medicine. I'm quite happy about it. I grew up in Vancouver, and I was really thrilled to move away from the big city. Being here allows me to have a great balance between working and lifestyle choices. And so I've fallen in love with the Okanagan. I don't think I'll ever want to leave.